So, what do you have? Coffee, green tea, juice?
How about a whiskey sour?
Oh, bold.
Life's short, you see.
You sure have a way of making a point, but without...
Without making a point, right?
I was just about to not finish that because a smart-ass interviewee is a turn-off, I'm sure. You know, guys trying to be too cool.
Occupational hazard, you see.
Well, I left my smart-ass chip at home, so I guess all you have is just me.
Which looks good enough to me.
Waiter, whiskey sour for the lady. Just water for me.
You definitely need some water.